1950s, a boy lived in a simple life with his father in a farm. Day and night, they worked together. But one day, the boy complained to his father. Asked his father, why was there no meat in their breakfast? His father replied to him, that buying meat was too expensive for our food budget. Then, the boy grew unhappy, and one day told his father that he will look for a job so that he could eat meat and not vegetables and bread every day. And his father accepted what the boy wanted to do, even if it was against his will. The boy wandered in cities seeking for a job. He went through interviews. Because of this, he was not accepted. But then, a rich man was passing by and saw him lying down in sadness. Here comes the money! The rich man asked the boy what was the problem. Then, the boy told his story to the man. The man came up with an idea that he would adopt the boy, but in exchange, he would only be able to eat meat every day and no vegetables or bread. The boy happily agreed to the man. The boy then lived his life so happy eating meat every day.
Forma ni Lu.
A few weeks later, the boy started to dislike eating meat every day because his body was no longer in proper nutrition. The boy complained to the man. He wanted to eat bread and milk for breakfast, but instead, he was served meat. The man replied and said that he would not allow the boy to eat anything other than meat. After that, the boy ran away and the man smiled because the boy finally learned his lesson and came back home. When he was about to enter his home, he saw his father waiting for his return. The boy asked for forgiveness to his father because he ran away. When they had their breakfast in the morning, his father served meat. Vegetables. Bread. And milk. But the boy only ate vegetables, bread, and milk, rather than eating meat. He gave a nice smile and appreciated what his father gave him. His father thanked God that the boy learned his lesson. Eating too much meat may cause harmful effects in the body, like obesity. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to the extent that it may have an adverse effect on health, leading to reduced life expectancy. Hypertension. Hypertension is a medical condition in which the blood pressure is chronically elevated. Heart diseases. Heart diseases are diseases particularly the heart, which can be a cause of death. Arthritis. Arthritis is a group of conditions involving damage to the joints of the body. Looking at the diseases, the boy realized that he really needs to have a balanced diet so that he can live a healthy and happy life.
Let's give the second year a round of applause. Thank you, guys. Next competing group, you may have your preparation now. Yes.